What's up guys, TechRex here. So today I'm happy to bring you the brand new Samsung Galaxy S8 here in my hands. We're going to be conducting the ultimate drop test today in comparison with the iPhone 7. Yes, I had to get the red color. This one is still sealed, which is pretty cool. This phone here is supposed to be one of the most amazing phones of 2017. You got the Bixby feature, 5.8-inch display, infinity display of course, Gorilla Glass 5. But guys, two simple drop tests. Will it pass? That's the question. We're going to be conducting 5 foot in height, so approximately from shoulder length and side, and then of course front facing drop test for that ultimate carnage to see at the end who is the true winner. Let's go ahead and find out and get straight into this. So first up we have the red iPhone 7, 128 gig. Let's do the side drop test, 5 feet. We're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. Time to take a quick little look at the side drop test of the iPhone 7. Although it did kind of look like half a front-facing drop test, half a side drop test. Let's take a look anyways. Wow, that's good news because I really thought that cracked. It really looked on the camera like it landed on its front. Phone is completely in working condition. Not a single crack that I can see. There's a little bit of a scuff, so let me check the corner. We definitely have damage on the bottom left-hand corner. Just on that aluminum, the red flaked off. But other than that, looks like we're good. A little more scuffing on this right side. Let's move on into the side drop test for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now it's time for the Samsung Galaxy S8 side drop test. So flip it over one more time just so we see that back. It's the midnight black color. Sorry guys, with the lighting it's kind of tough to see. There we go. So 5 foot in height. Let's go ahead and do it. Side drop test in 3, 2, 1. Now we take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S8. I'm going to try and pinpoint the exact location where it dropped because it was just a corner drop. I do not see any cracks at the moment, as you guys can see from the back of the display. Or body, and there's no cracks on the front, but it did hit a corner pretty hard, and looks like that corner was right here. Okay, I found it. So there we have the corner, and I'm really surprised because it's very almost insignificant. It's hard to see. Definitely from the side drop test the iPhone suffered more damage, although it did hit the ground multiple times, but here we just have a small little white mark and that's it. I don't even see any scuffs on the other corner. So surprisingly guys, the Galaxy S8 did very well on the side drop test. Let's move on to finally the front-facing drop test. Now we have the front-facing drop test for the red iPhone 7. Let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. And boy, did that not sound good, guys. I feel like there is certainly a shatter on this iPhone 7. And yes, there is. It's completely covered. The only hope right now is, will this phone turn on? And it looks like this phone is not even turning on. So it is not showing any life as far as the display turned on. Usually you have a crack, but the phone is also working. In this case, I can hear the different, sound effects, but there's nothing on the display. And the Galaxy S8 front-facing drop test finally. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. So let's check out the results. That was more of a front-facing / side drop test, but it's what the, oh my goodness. Yeah, this phone is completely shattered. It's still working. I guess it was half side drop test, half front facing drop test. You've got cracks on this corner, cracks on that corner. There's quite a few pretty much spider web like lines on the surface. It's not a complete shatter. Phone is still functional, but again, it didn't land completely flat on its front, so it was more like a little bit of a bounce to it. Final little recap of the drop tests, guys. So of course the red iPhone 7, absolutely no sign of life, unfortunately. It's just got shatters all along the entire front display. LCD won't turn on. I still feel the vibration switch, everything seems like it's working internally. It's probably just that LCD. And then the Galaxy S8. So we have pretty significant damage along the left and right corner here. Phone still works, so that is the good news. But of course there are about 4, 5, maybe 6 just shatter lines all along the top display. They're very visible, but in certain lighting actually it doesn't look like you can even tell. But of course if you turn off the phone, you'll definitely be able to see them kind of from a distance. That wraps it up, guys. Though the Galaxy S8, I definitely would have to say, won this drop test. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.